Good morning, good morning, a very good morning. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning, say I am fine and thank you. Good morning, good morning, say I am fine and thank you. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, say I am fine and thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nikita ma'am and today we are going to learn a new number. You have already learnt number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your previous sessions. Now let's count the fingers on our hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. And if we open our thumb also, then how many fingers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers. Now let's see some flashcards and do the counting.
This is number 5. Now let's count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 butterflies. Now let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars are there? 5 stars. What is the color of the stars? Yellow. Which fruit is this? These are apples. How many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples. What is the color of the apples? Red color.
In the flashcards, we have done counting of different objects. And now let's see a fun activity of number 5.
Now let's start the activity. This is number 5 and these are the circles in which we have to keep this item by making a group of 5. These are peanuts. These are rajma beans. These are horse crumbs. These are chickpeas and wheat. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how we have to make a group of 5 and keep in these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now next circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do this activity at your home also.
Did you all enjoy the activity? Yes, the activity was fun. Now let's see the worksheet.
This worksheet, you have to count the fingers of the hand and then color it. You can do this worksheet in your maths class workbook on page number 38.
I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Thank you, kids. Bye.